Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. And today we are going to do worksheet.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الملك سامي.
Salam. Hello Abdul Malik. How are you, Abdul Malik?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are welcome.
انزل كذا عندك شاي.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد العزيز محمد الحارثي.
Hello Abdul Aziz Muhammad Al Harsi.
ابن مصدر سلوي. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good. Actually, good afternoon and evening.
يا أستاذ.
Yes.
أستاذ الصفحة كم؟
هذا مو صفحة في الكتاب page 96 लेकिन अव्वल في worksheet. First of all we have worksheet. Okay.
ورحمة الله السلام عليكم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. عبد الرحمن محمد.
السلام
Hello,
عليكم.
Abdurrahman Muhammad.
صفحة كم؟
Hello,
السلام
Faisal.
عليكم عبد الغني. السلام
Hello,
عليكم.
Abdulghani.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا
عليكم.
عبد العزيز محمد عبد العزيز الحارثي.
Hello, Abdulaziz.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام علي.
صفحة كم؟
Wait. Azan is there. Turkibullah is there. Safwan. Then we have Aus. Uzaifa. Battal Hatim Gersh. Okay, so here we have a worksheet which is about city, yani balad, city, صح? Medina, city and desert, yani Sahara. What are the things, what are the belongings to city and desert? Yani مثلا scorpion. This is scorpion. هذا موجود فين? City or desert?
Desert.
Desert. Ya salam. Thank you, Abdul Malik. Then we have camel.
Desert.
Excellent. Okay. School.
City.
Yes, you can talk. Anybody can give answer. Okay. Sand. Yani ramal.
Desert.
Desert. Building. Ammar.
City. City. City.
Number 6. No shade.
Desert. Desert.
Yes. No shade. Number 6. This is desert. There is no shade in
Desert,
desert.
desert.
Yeah. Cars. Yani sayyara.
City.
City. Ya salam. Snake.
Desert.
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 Yes. Snake. Okay. People. Arena. Yes. Supermarket. Park. Yes. Very hot day. مرة hard. Okay, boys. Now be quiet. I will repeat and then we will go to read. Okay. We have scorpion. Wait, yeah, Walad, wait. Please. Now wait for me.
What?
We find scorpion in desert, camel in desert, then sand, no shade, snake, and very hot day. So we find 6 belongings to desert, and other 6 are like school, buildings, car, people, supermarket, and park. These are found in city. Scorpion, camel, sand, no shade, snake, and very hot day in desert. Okay, this is your worksheet. I will send you with next video. Okay, next we have page number 96 and 97. Open page 97 first. Then we will go on 96 reading. Okay. Did you know that we can find water in the middle of the desert, which is called oasis? Where does the water come from? The water comes from mostly from rain, right? Rain, yani matar. Where does the water come from? Water is taken from the oasis by the heat of the day and by people and animals.
عزام والله الحين يناديك تقرا ايش بك؟
But it remains full of water year after year. That is called oasis, where you find a little water in the desert. Think about the water you use at home. يعني انت شغل في البيت مويه for washing up and the water you use at home, at school. How do you think it gets there? كيف مويه يجي في البيت وفي المدرسة? How does it come? Choose anything you do at home that uses water. Where did this water come from? The water you use at home. Yes. Yes, we use tap of water. The tap, okay, let me make it small. The tap water
أستاذ صفحة كم؟
page 97 يا عبد الغني. Pipe, the pipe is connected to the mains water supply. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. The tap of your home that is connected to the pipe is connected to the mains water supply where you use water trucks, yani maya tahliya. So you can take the water from.
أستاذ عايز
here.
أروح الحمام.
Yes. Draw a picture to show where the water come from. The water come from where? So we will make a picture. I will send you. Okay. You will draw this picture in your books. This one. Okay. I will send you this. Okay. These are the steps from where water comes at our home. So we will make this. I will send you through the link. Finish it quickly so that we can move towards next, which is reading. Okay. Abdulaziz Saad Al Maliki, are you there? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
نعم.
Okay. Abdul Rahman Hatim Al Nasiri, موجود? Yes. Okay.
موجود.
Abdul Rahman Ibrahim Al Somali. Abdul Rahman
Yes.
Ibrahim. Okay. Then we have
هذا خلصت.
Asil Abdul Aziz, موجود?
أيوة.
Okay, very good. Then we have Hussam Ibrahim, موجود? Hussam Ibrahim. Saeed Saif. Okay.
أو إيه. أستاذ أنا عزام موجود.
No, I am asking about Hussam, not Azam. Hussam. Yes, Turki Bandar.
أستاذ أنا خلصتها.
Okay, Abdulaziz.
Yes.
أستاذ خلصت.
Okay, very good.
أستاذ لا ما غلطت.
Okay, take your time.
يا أستاذ غلطت.
ما في كلام خلاص. When everybody will finish, okay, we will. move
بجوات
on.
my teacher.
Wait, we have reading a little bit. You will do this here, these pictures, okay? This I will send you. You will draw this picture. يعني رسم هذا كامل هنا. You will draw here small يعني صغير, okay? صورة هذه يعني هذا بالترتيب. مويه يجي من هنا إلين بيت. Okay? The water comes from reservoir to the tap.
أستاذ نطبع.
No, you will draw it by your pencil.
أستاذ عادي أطبعه.
لا, with your pencil.
تكفى أستاذ.
Okay?
أستاذ صعب.
استاذ صاحب لا, استاذ صاحب صورة ما في صاحب, okay? انت ارسم ما في مشكلة يا. هذا دائرة. These are what? These are squares.
نكتب الكلمات ولا
لا, رسم كامل من هنا from here to here. كامل.
my teacher.
Okay, Yamin, sorry, I deleted it now. Okay, I will send you the video link, okay? Don't worry. Okay, I will send you this picture. Okay, you can make ايش اسمه تابع يعني, what we say, print. Okay, print this and paste it here. خلاص? Okay? If you draw, you will get more marks. But if you print, okay, no problem, as you like. But I need here a picture. This is your homework. Okay? Ada wajib. Now we have reading weather or and water
Ustad.
in hot countries.
أستاذ خلصنا.
باقي يا فيصل. Underlined, understand where the water comes from in hot dry countries. In hot dry countries, water is precious. Where we don't find water, so it is precious. In some countries, it rains a lot. In hot and dry countries, it rains less than 100 millimeters per year. Less than 100 millimeters. In England, it rains 10 to 20 times that amount. That's quite a difference. Water that comes from the sky is known as rainwater.
أستاذ صبحك كم؟
Safa 96. The water that comes from the sky, min sahab, that is called rain water. Water also comes from under the ground. The ground soaks up the rainwater. This is known as groundwater. The water that comes from rain, that is rainwater. Like what? Okay, I will show you. 1 second. I can't make it. Okay, like this. Okay. The water comes from clouds. This is called what? Rain water. What is this called? Rain water. That is bigger for you. Okay. Understand? And the water comes from underground, like this is your earth, and you find here underground there is water. Then we take this up with our taps. This is called groundwater. This is called groundwater. Understand? Yes, Faisal. What you want?
I understand إنه لما يجي المطر
Hmm.
the rain comes
From the sky.
yes في شيء طويل ينزلوا زي اللي عندنا إحنا عندنا واحد ينزلوا المطر هنا.
Okay. So when water comes from rain from the sky, that is called rain water. When the water comes from underground, تحت الأرض, that is called ground water. Okay. Yes, Faisal. You have anything? Abdurrahman Hadir.
Yes.
And
أستاذ نعم
yes.
أستاذ
أيوة عبد العزيز.
يعني الرين واتر يجي من بايب.
Rain water comes from sky. Groundwater comes with pipe by using pipe. Yes. Groundwater لازم يجي من تحت. As the rain water comes from fog, يعني من up from the sky. Okay.
يعني الجراوند حقت السيتي واللي فوق تنزل.
Yes. Okay.
إيه.
Okay. So now we will start reading with Abdurrahman Hatim. Okay. Everybody will read. Inshallah. This is first portion. Okay. This is number 2. And this one is number 3.
أنا تركي بندر الحاد خلصت الرسمة.
Ya salam. Okay. Don't make this in your في الكتاب. ما في ارسم هذا في الكتاب. ارسم تاني أنا أرسل بعدين. Okay. يلا عبد الرحمن حاتم الناصري. Open your mic and start reading.
نعم.
أيوة. Number 1. Read number 1. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3.
وين وين number
No,
1
here number 1. Yes.
number 1 in hot and the dry contour
Countries.
countries it rains
Less
than 100 millions
millimeters.
materials,
millimeter per year. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Abdul Aziz Al Maliki, open your mic.
نعم.
Okay, in England,
إيه.
أيوة, in England,
In England, in hot, dry countries, it rains less than 100 millimeters per year. In England, it rains 10 to 20 times that amount. That's quite a difference. That Ustaz? Yes.
yes, okay. Yes, Abdurrahman Nasir done. Then we have
كمل.
Abdul Aziz Muhammad Al Harsi. Yes, Abdul Aziz Muhammad Al Harsi, number 2.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read number 2.
Water that comes from the sky
Sky. Yani min ko. Asil, don't raise your hand.
is
It
as winter as also comes from
Halas, okay. That is called known, not canon. This is known. Okay, thank you. Then we have Abdul Ghani. He is in washroom, I think. Then we have Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik Tamir, number 1.
Yes.
Yes, number 1.
In hot and dry countries, it rains less
Yes.
than 100 millimeters per year.
Very good.
And in England, it rains.
It rains.
It rains to 20.
10 to 20.
20 times that
Times that
amount. That is quite a
difference. Thank you. Difference, not different. Okay. Ali, number 2.
Yes. Water that comes from the sky is
known, not canon. K is silent.
known as rainwater. Water also comes from under
The ground.
under the ground.
Yes.
The
Thank you, Ali.
ground.
Very good, Ali. Asil, number 3.
نعم. أبدأ rainwater. This is known.
K is silent, ya Habibi. K, you don't read K. It is known as
groundwater.
very good.
This water can be reached by
drilling wells. Drilling wells.
Wells.
Okay. يعني بئر ممكن بئر. حسام إبراهيم. حسام إبراهيم موجود؟
نعم.
أيوة. نمبر 1.
And not hot.
Yeah.
And hot.
And
dry countries. Trans.
it rains
It rains
less than
less
than
than
100
100
millimeters.
millimeters
Millimeters per year.
year.
Good.
And
In England,
it rains
wait, Yamin,
10
to
to
20
times that amount
very good.
that
Quiet
quite
are different. Thank you, Hussam. Okay, Faisal, number 1.
Number 1.
Yep.
And
Batal, wait.
in hot and dry countries, it rains less than 100 millimeters per year.
Per year.
Per year in England, it rains 10 to 20 times that amount. That quite a difference.
Very good, Faisal. Thank you. Turki Abdullah, number 2. Number 2, quickly. Page 96 كم مرة يا حبيبي؟ يلا اقرأ يا حبيبي.
يا أستاذ يلا أقرأ.
أيوة تركي عبد الله. عبد الرحمن wait. Number 2 يا
water
كم مرة water يا تركي؟ سرعة. That comes Turkey, your voice is not good. Yamin.
Yes.
Yes, read number 3.
Number 3. Observe rainwater. This is known as groundwater. This water can be reached by drilling wells.
Okay. Aus, open your mic. Aus Ahmed Al-Maliki.
Yes.
Yes, read number 3.
Observe rainwater. This is known as groundwater. This water can be reached by
Drilling wells. Yes, Battal Al-Gurshi.
Yes.
Yes, number 2. Abdurrahman Intazar.
Water that comes from the sky in the known rainwater. Water also comes from under the ground. The ground soak.
Thank you, Battal. Then after Battal, we have Turki Bandar.
Yes.
Yes. Read number 2.
Number 2.
Yes.
Water that comes from the sky is known as rainwater. Water also comes from under the ground. The ground soaks.
Okay. Saud Nasir, open your mic. Thank you, Turki. Very good. Saud Nasir.
Welcome.
Safwan.
أستاذ بجاوب.
دقيقة عبد الرحمن بالترتيب. Do not open your mics, please. Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes. Read number 3.
Okay, up the groundwater, this is known as groundwater. This water can be reached by
Drilling.
well. Burling well.
This is the drilling wells. Okay. Abdurrahman Somali. Yalla Abdurrahman Somali. Number 1. Quickly, maafi waqt. Abdurrahman Somali. Azam Al Harsi.
Yes.
Yes. Number 1.
One
Ayo.
in hot
And
and great
dry
dry
countries
great hit
it rains
it rain
less than
this the
100
100
millimeters
millimeters
per year.
per year
Okay,
in the
thank you, Azam. Okay, boys, thank you. Goodbye. See you next time. Draw the picture and send me homework. Okay.
bye.
Goodbye.
أستاذ أنا